Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, today I'm filming an unboxing, and I know what you're thinking by this wrapping. That is a big Ipsy box. Y'all, it's not Ipsy. It's not skincare related. It's not makeup related. It's not hair care related. So I used to be a part of a clothing subscription called Nadine West. Super affordable. I got a lot of my lounge clothes from them. Some of my favorite leggings that I've had for going on like 2 years are from them. It's like a $10 shipping fee, but whatever you purchase, and I'll put my link down below, I think you get like a discount or an extra gift. I don't know. I'll be honest, I don't know. But it's like $10 for shipping, and then whatever you purchase, that $10 rolls into that credit. So the last box was totally my error. Totally my error. I didn't fill out my quiz properly. Don't judge me. But I did keep one thing. I kept these cute little hoop earrings. Little rhinestone hoop earrings. And Nadine West is super affordable. I think like the most expensive item I've ever purchased from them was $30. And it was a pair of leggings that I really, really liked. And they're also really easy to work with. Like there's been times when my mail carrier has legitimately lost my package. Or it never showed up, or I sent it back and it got lost in the mail. Like, and they work with you. I'll say that. So, without further ado, let's open my Nadine West. Do you see how big this package is, though, y'all? Big. Whatever you don't keep, there is a return label in here. And everything is just so cutely packaged. Actually, I hate pink. It's my least favorite color. Alright, so here's our return shipping label. And, oh wow, we got a lot of items. Wow. We got a lot of items. And the most expensive item on here is $35.99. Okay, so usually I only get like 4 or 5 items. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items in here. I'm very excited right now. We have some clothes right here. And we have another bundle of things. Oh, I see plaid. At least I think it's plaid. I don't know. Let's open it. Okay, we'll go with this one first. It's kind of wet because, you know, it's raining now. Okay. So, first thing we have, oh, there's things in here. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh, okay. So these must be the sunglasses. I'm not even going to take them out of the package. I'm very picky with sunglasses. I will not be keeping the sunglasses. I'm just going to be honest. Just being honest. I'm extremely picky with sunglasses. Also, these are too big for my face. And it takes up like 3/4 of my face. But they're $17.99 if I did decide to keep them. We also have, ooh, those are kind of cute. Earrings. Dingly little pearl earrings. And these are $19.99. Those are actually kind of cute. See, earrings are really a hit or miss for me, and I'll be 100% honest. The reason they're a hit or miss for me is because I wear my diamond studs. Also, I have very sensitive ears. Oh, these are cute too, though. These are $14.99. Those are actually really cute. They have cute little stones in them. But I have very, very sensitive ears. So I really try to not do earrings. Okay. So we have, wow, we have 3 pairs of leggings. Well, it says we do. We have these leggings here. Simple black leggings. Actually, there's detail. Oh, there's pockets. Oh, you had me at pockets. And then there is detailing at the bottom. These are the Ultimate Tummy Control. Reflectivity. Spot for your phone. I'm actually kind of interested in these. I want to say these are $28.99. Black. Okay, we might keep these. These look like some nice leggings. All right, so let's see. Oh, and they're full length. I might keep these. Okay, next we have a top. Just a simple straight top. $35.99. I can tell you right now, I'm not keeping it. I don't do stripes. I know on my profile I said I do stripes, but that's because certain things they've sent me that were striped, I was like, oh my god, I gotta have it. So, okay, next we have more leggings. These okay, so these are $28.99. I mean, they're cute. Y'all, if this was a shirt, I'd be all for it. This is a weird material. I can tell you because of the material, this is a no. Both of these. I don't like this material at all. Okay, so we have another leggings. No. For a few reasons. One, I don't like the material. I don't like the way it feels in my hands. I'm a huge texture person. Two, I won't. Like, I don't want to be mean, but it looks like my grandma's couch. Also, y'all, I got a badonkadonk. This not gonna look cute on my booty. This gonna look like, ooh, no, okay. So, those are definite no's. Definite. I might be buying things because I'm breaking them. Okay. I want to like these, y'all. Should we try them on? So, I feel like I'm just so hard to please. Okay, so here's my thing. I really want to like the all black ones. Like, I really want to like them. Y'all, the material is so uncomfortable. It's so uncomfortable. It's itchy. It's like that, like, weird spandexy. I want to like them, y'all. I want to like them so bad. But I don't. See, I think I might actually keep these for around the house. Because these, I wish that the ones I'm trying on right now, I'm out of breath getting them on. Oh my gosh. I think I'm going to keep these. Because I can grow to love them. But also I really like the material. And in the fall, in the fall I'll wear them. Like, I know me. I'll be like, hey, I got like a cute oversized hoodie and it's black. Oh, I got these. I'm gonna keep these. Grandma's couch is going back though. We can go ahead and try on the shirt. I can tell you, the shirt's gonna be a no. I know the shirt's gonna be a no. I know me. I know the shirt's gonna be a no. Negative, Ghost Rider. Okay, so here's the thing with stripes in me. I love the fact that it's a V-neck. I don't like, it's like a maroonish burnt orange. That's just not my color. This just really isn't my color. B, I don't like this stripe, how it contrasts. But mainly, my mom taught me that if you have any part of your body that you are uncomfortable with, stripes like this are gonna accentuate it. And it's accentuating. It doesn't help that I'm PMSing. So, this is a no. Okay, so we are keeping the plaid, the white and black ones. The ones I wanted to keep, I really don't like. They're very uncomfortable. Like, they're very uncomfortable. Like, they're very uncomfortable. Okay, so I will link my link down below if you want to join Nadine West. They're very affordable. I have a $10 credit right now, so my leggings are gonna be $18.90. $18.99, really? Okay. And honestly, here's my thing. If the shirt was like $10.99, I would probably suck it up and have it just for around the house. But it's $36. So, this is a no. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit the notification bell. And if you want to check out Nadine West, go ahead and check it out. I think if you use my link, you get a free gift. So, it's worth checking out, right? Alright guys.